5 years from now, you're either saying, wow, I really turned my life around, or wow, I'm still in the exact same place I was 5 years ago. And guess what? It all comes down to this one choice. Not the new selfie stand that you bought hoping it would get you to post. Not the online course you bought in hopes of going viral. Not your favorite podcast or the YouTube videos on how to turn your life around. I'm talking about a decision so stupidly simple that it sounds fake, but it's not. Because this one choice defines whether you actually level up or you keep looping in the fear of posting content and overthinking. Welcome to the most expensive 9 minutes of your life if you ignore what I'm about to say. This video is about the one internal shift that determines whether you keep hiding or whether you start creating and showing up for real. See, you already know what you want to post consistently, grow an audience, and maybe even quit your job. You have tried content calendars, just start advice, productivity hacks, but none of it works because you're solving the wrong problem. The real issue isn't what to post, it's that you are addicted to certainty. See, I've worked with people who have stayed stuck for years, not because they were lazy, but because no one helped them make this one shift. And the ones who actually broke through, they made one specific choice differently. If you're someone who opens the camera but never hits record, who has incredible ideas but keeps them locked in your head, who watches other creators thinking, I could do that better but never tries, this is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what this choice is, why your brain fights it, and how to make it safe enough to actually follow through. Here's the choice that changes everything. Is choosing action over analysis every single day. Most people think I need to figure out my niche, my style, my perfect content strategy. But here's the truth, you can't think your way to confidence. Clarity doesn't come from planning, it comes from doing. You either stay addicted to over preparing or you choose one messy action over perfect inaction. One of my clients had been studying YouTube creators for over 3 years. She knew more about content strategy than most people making six figures online, but she had zero videos posted. In our first session, I gave her one task to record a 30-second video saying, I'm finally starting my YouTube channel, and then post the video immediately. No editing, no strategy, no overthinking. She was terrified, but she posted the video anyway. 600 views, two comments from her friends saying that they were inspired by her courage. That moment actually rewired her entire identity from someone who plans to someone who posts. Here's what's really happening when you overthink. You think you're being smart and strategic, but you're actually training your brain that you can't be trusted to handle uncertainty. Every time you wait for the right time, you reinforce the pattern that keeps you stuck. Every action you take, no matter how imperfect, however, proves to yourself that you can handle whatever happens. And that is how you build unshakable momentum. And if you're thinking, but I don't know if I have what it takes to post content, see, you have already done this. You have probably sent texts that made your heart race. You have had conversations that mattered even when you felt nervous. You have shown up for people you care about, even when it was uncomfortable. You already know how to choose courage over comfort. You just need to use it for your own dreams. If you're ready to make the shift and you want someone to help you move through the fear of posting consistently while also holding you accountable, then that's exactly kind of the work that I do. Just like Stephanie, who I helped go from overthinking and not posting a single piece of content for over 5 years to posting every day for 30 days straight just after a few sessions. I actually have a few one-on-one spots open for August. So if you would like to explore what it's like to work with me, check the link in the pinned comment and I'll see you on the call. Your next 5 years don't need to look like the last, and the shift starts with one choice. That is today. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next video.